scene change. And what do I have? Scene change, sound effects, some emotes, the raid messages, Discord. Is that it? And oh, turning my key light on, turning my key light off, the timer, and then hide camera. And then I think that's it. I know it can be used for that's what like I had some coworkers that had stream decks just to use for work. Fine then. Get your Magnemite, y'all. You need more bowls. Hi Bree, how are you doing? How was your week? I hope you had a good one. Welcome in. We are attempting this and I feel like it's just gonna be, oh, I didn't add the other green. It is just like, how do I, it's gonna be a very delicate affair. I didn't add the light green on the top. How do people do this? What happened? No, you're good, Razzle. You're good. When I'm modding for someone, you can easily change the category. Oh, wait. You can do it for them via your stream deck? Good, chilling, already dreading work this week. Oh no, do you guys have Sunday scaries? Don't have Sunday scaries. Just hang out with me while we do this, right? Oh, it's an MMO about sailors. Ooh, they sail into a storm, end up in another world. And your character is running around this world fighting a corruption. Lost sailors that turn into zombies? I'm sold. I love a good apocalypse moment. Guys, here we go. Oh no. One wrong move, if I breathe the wrong way, we're gonna be out of commish. Once we have a more solid base put together, I just need some chunks to be together, and then it'll be easier. Oh, this is like this. Okay. Without any Kathy and Lisa, let's go. I know that does sound kind of fun. Is it on PC, Jordan? Okay. There. Okay. Now, on top, we need to grab some of these larger pink pieces. So we're starting with the pink already. I'm gonna put them aside here. I thought I needed all the green ones already, but it looks like it's when do we layer more green on? Oh, just kind of on the sides. Okay, we might go through all of it. Oh, it's on PC and console. Okay. Is it a purchasable one or one that's free to install but has like pay to play options? Okay.